First, we boil 5 chicken thighs. Season the water with salt and garlic. Next, we're going to chop cilantro, onion, tomato, and garlic. Once your chicken is boiled, pull it out of the pot and shred it. Once it's shredded, put it back into the chicken broth and add all of your veggies. Add 1 cup of Versal Arts Chipotle Sauce. Stir together and let simmer for at least half an hour. Add in fresh avocado. Now you're ready to serve it. If you want a different flavor, you can roast all of your vegetables before you put them into the pot. There are several different add-ins that you can put. You can add cheese, you can add garbanzo beans, or you can add Mexican rice.